My name is Saket. My topic in this subject theory of computation is documentation is automation. So let's go into the topic and go through the first slide. So this is the first slide, like what is documentation? So documentation is the practice of creating organized and maintaining documents that provide information, evidence, instruction. Like it serves as a circular tool for communication, knowledge sharing, and record keeping within organization and communities. Like effective documentation ensures that the process, procedure, and knowledge are preserved and accessible to intended audience. It can take various forms such as technical manual and user guides, API reference, and reports, combining to clarity, transparency, and efficiency of operations. Like TOC is a vast subject and it has a very deep roots in it. Effective documentation ensures the process, procedure, and knowledge are preserved and accessible to intent audience. It can take various forms such as technical manual and guides, API reference, and reports, contributing to the clarity, transparency, and efficiency of separators. So let's go to the second slide now. So, what is the importance of documentation in automation? See, we have four headings like clarity and consistency, knowledge transfer, error reduction and troubleshooting, compliance and audio support. Like all these things are very important. Like documentation in automation ensures that the procedures, workflows, and procedures are clearly outlined and consistently followed. It serves as a reference for all stakeholders involved in automation process, avoiding confusion and misinterpretation. Knowledge trader. In knowledge transfer, like effective documentation faculties knowledge transfer within teams. It allows team members to understand and automation implementation its retinal and mediology used. This empowers terms to contribute, collaborate, and maintain automated process effectively. And when it comes to error reduction and troubleshooting, well documented automation process help in identifying and rectifying errors efficiently. Detailed documentation enables quick troubleshooting and downtimes and ensuring the smooth functions of automated systems. Like when it comes to compliance and audit support, documentation plays a critical role in ensuring compliance with industry regulators and standards. It provides a trail of actions taken, which is essential for adults and regulatory, which ensures in automated process. See, and also in this subject, see many students are struggling. Like most of the students have written their mid exams on the subject theory of computations. See, it's been so hard because most of the students, yeah, they are not practicing, and it is very important. Like we have to focus on this subject. Now, if not, most of the people have already backlogs on this subject theory of computation TOC. So I suggest is we have to focus on this subject, like because TOC is a very hard subject. Most of the people have backlogs in their subject. Yeah, so please focus on TOC. And what all is important is, let's go to next slide. Yeah, benefits of documentation for automation. Improved efficiency, clear and comprehensive documentation, streamlines processed errors, and helps teamwork, more efficiently towards automation goals. Knowledge transfer. Documentation serves a knowledge repository, ensuring that vital information is readily available for new team members and referred for existing ones. Exchanged collaborations. Well documentation automation process facilities seamless collaboration among team members and all. See, where coming there, see, as if I have told, it is a vast subject. Foundation of machine learning, theory of computation, digital analog and electronics, and yeah, so many subjects are there which on which we have to focus upon. The consistency is the main key to focus, and we have to, yeah, practice day by day to remember all this stuff. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. So, type of documentation for automation, like diagram, code snippets, database, and flowchart. When it comes to my experience, I have joined a community called Next Wave. There, I have seen many code snippets. We can try different type of codes in different languages in single compiler. Like everything is kept into it. Like you can code there, and you can view result, and you can also save it. See, database scheme, code snippet, all are visible there. Yeah. Now let's go to the next slide. Yeah, best practices for creating effective documentation. Okay, this is also important, very important actually. So, creating effective documentation is pivotal for the success of any automation projects. The documentation should be organized, easily accessible, and comprehensive. It should include clear and concise construction along with relevant examples and use cases to guide users effectively utilize a professional workspace with a clean and a modern design and enhances the visual appearance and readability of the documentation, simplicity in the layout while emphasizing relevant information allows user to navigate with ease and locate the required uh, content efficiently. Moreover, employing a minimalistic design ensures that the focus remains on the content, facilitating better understanding for the end user. The inclusion of visual aids such as diagrams, screenshots, and illustrations further enhance the documentation's clarity, clear and easy to read to text. Supported by consistent formatting and styling adds to the professionalism and creatability of the documentation, ultimately leading to improvised user experience and a successful automation implementation. See, tools and technologies for automating documentation. See, when it comes to automating documentation, there are several tools and technologies that play a crucial role in streaming the process and ensuring efficiency. One such tool is a modern content management system (CMS) that allows for easy creation, management, and publishing of documentation. These CMS platforms often come equipped with version controls, collaborations features, and like customizing templates and all these things. Like moreover, technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning are increasingly being unutilized to automate the process of writing and reviewing documents. NLP algorithm can analyze and understand the content. So, case studies successful implementation of documentation in automation are like collaborative automation and also digital automation solutions. In this image, a divine team is showing a diverse team is showing collaboration in a modern office environment to create an automated document descript and positive and engaged atmosphere with natural lighting enhancing the vibrant and productive mood of the team. The image and the digital showcase automation, the clean and organized interfaces, along with the soft blue white collapse screen. And these are all the challenges and solution in documentation for automation. And these are all the future trends in documentation and automation like AI powered content, interactive and dynamic, and blockchain. So this is the conclusion, like the future is automated documentation. See, like this is, if I told you that this is a vast subject, this thing is being used everywhere, and the future is the automation and documentation. So hope you guys like this. Thank you.